This prestigious collection was collected, curated and assembled by Giulio Bertrand on behalf of the Tasso Foundation. It's a wonderful cross-section of South African artists spanning a time frame from around 1920 to around 2010. And it features some of the most prominent artists from that period. The evolving taste in this collection is also manifested through the stylistic shifts from representational art of the 20th century right through to the contemporary. There are two lovely Alexis Prellers in this collection. And the first dating from 1949 called Red Pineapples, which he produced in the Seychelles. A very, very groundbreaking body of work was brought back from the Seychelles and shown in South Africa, and this would have been amongst that period of production, perhaps his most desirable period. And then juxtaposed against that is a portrait of Guna, the artist's partner, dating from 1971. And it's really interesting to have two works like this in the collection because the period of production in between is so vast and the artist's evolution was significant that to see these two works together also tells the story of a collector. The Maud Sumner works are particularly interesting because you've got the still life, which is highly abstracted. It's a post-World War II Parisian painting and featuring a sort of a technique that she developed alongside a contemporary Parisian artist called Paul Berko. And the other Maud Sumner in the collection is a beautiful panoramic Namibian dunescape. So quite different, but I love the languages which the artist has employed through those different time periods. These two Boonzaier paintings are completely different in style, and the reason for that is the lower one, the still life, abstracted, dates from 1943 when the artist was under the influence of Georges Braque, and there have been a few of these works that have come to auction, these early abstracted still lives. They are sought after by collectors, and the style contrasts very sharply against the Constantia landscape with vineyard, and that is perhaps more typical of Gregoire Boonzaier's output, more Cape Impressionism in terms of style.